Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a revolve cut. Revolve cut command is discussed here, and guys, Solidworks lecture 28 is discussed here, and this is a revolve cut is command is discussed here, and this is a very useful and helpful command, revolve cut. Okay, at first open a Solidworks software. Okay, this is our Solidworks software interface, and revolve cut command is a this command is a okay revolve cut command is a cut solid model by revolving a sketch profile around an axis. Okay, cut a solid model by revolving a sketch profile around an axis. Okay, at first select a plane. Plane is a front plane. Drawing any geometry. Okay, this is a rectangle is drawing here. Okay, this is a some drag here, and this point is a horizontal. Okay, this is a mention any dimension. Dimension is a 60 is correct, 65 is correct, and this is a 140 is correct. Okay, and this point is distance between 65 is better. Okay, and exit, and again select a front plane is drawing a axis. At first drawing a profile, and second is drawing a axis, and this body is revolve this axis. Okay, this is a this. Okay, exit, and at first select a sketch first and draw use a revolve boss base, and then this is a select here, and select this axis, and body is revolve. Okay, this is a perfect. This is a revolve boss base is drawing here, and then white page, and select a cartoon. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and again then use a revolve cut. Okay, again select a front plane is this is a and some circle is drawing here. This is a this point is a draw here. This is a correct. Okay, and this is a drag here, and mention any dimension. This is diameter is 100 is better. Okay, and this center point is also this is a this point, and this point is a horizontal point is, and exit. Okay, this profile is drawing here, and this is axis is also use here. Okay, and use click a revolve cut. Okay, this is a this profile is at first click here and use a revolve cut, and this profile is a select here. Okay, this is a click here. This body is preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is a correct. This body is a hide, and axis is hide, and 3D body is drawing here easily, and some use a color is a this is a pink color is better, and this is a correct. Okay, this color is nice here. Okay, this body is super looking here. Okay, this is a revolve cut command. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Guys, next lecture is coming soon, and today discuss here a revolve cut is a complete here, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.